Ishtar bunny! Ishtar egg! Ishtar bunnies! Ishtar bunny! Ishtar eggs! Ishtar egg! Ishtar egg! Ishtar bunny! Ishtar egg!
Hey, welcome back everybody, and happy Ishtar. In this video we're going to talk about the Ishtar bunny, and we're going to talk about Ishtar eggs. And I did a video last year on Ishtar, which, frankly got some great comments, and the comments were mostly, hey, you didn't mention the moon, and you didn't mention Ishtar, so how can you do the Ishtar bunny and Ishtar eggs? And actually I did do Easter eggs, and I did do the bunny rabbit, but I didn't do the Easter bunny. In part because I just felt there was more about it that I wasn't up to just yet, and so here we are talking about the Ishtar bunny and Ishtar eggs. And, as a Christian for many, many years, I often wondered, how does this egg and bunny and often chickadees and also, how does all of this get wrapped into the story of Christ? I mean, it's a story of, execution. Hey guys, here's a story of execution and bunny rabbits and eggs. And it just, there's something missing. And the answer is that the older of the two tellings is the Ishtar telling, and the story of the Christ telling is a newer telling. I'm coming up on this story, it's continuing to form, but I can tell you without question that the worship of Ishtar, the stories about the Ishtar bunny and the Ishtar eggs, are all well based in the Venus apocalypse. And so first let's talk about what the Easter bunny is. And so the easiest way to show you what the Ishtar bunny is to remind you that Ishtar, the planet, is the image of Apis the bull. And Apis, in this image, has Venus as a crown on its forehead. And it's a bull because bulls charge, right? So you had the earth, you had Venus, Venus is Apis, bull charge. There you go. Yeah, however you want to do it. But in any case, Venus charged at the earth. That's why you have the planet sitting on the horns of a bull. But above it, you've got these long, stretchy things, and they look like bunny ears. And these formed because the magnetospheres of the two planets repelled each other. And it's a picture of the magnetosphere of Venus, being pushed up, and the two poles. And so you've got two bunny ears of Ishtar. You've got the Ishtar bunny. Now, that isn't the only place that you find the Ishtar bunny, because there were a number of people who mentioned, hey, Bob, isn't the moon the Ishtar bunny? And the answer is yes. But to get there, we have to talk about how you get Ishtar into an Ishtar bunny. So in many videos, I've talked about how during the cataclysm, during the apocalypse rather, as Venus hit the Earth's negative charge stored the excess charge in what we now call the moon. And the moon's popping out is the Ishtar egg. The moon is the egg. But, the egg did the funniest thing. It started hopping through cycles around the earth. And those cycles looked like a bunny hopping around in the sky. The Ishtar bunny. Ishtar, the planet, created the bunny. This is the Ishtar bunny. So you've got the Ishtar bunny, you've got the Ishtar egg, you've got the Ishtar bunny who bounced around the earth. And by the spring, it's the motion of the moon around the earth that restarted the weather patterns on our planet. If not for the restarting of the weather patterns, if not for the moon bouncing around the planet, life would have ended. And it isn't just that it bounces around the planet. The rotation of the moon is actually a bit of a figure eight. And so for a period each time it goes under and over, under and over. And so going back and forth through that under and over is like a rabbit going underground and coming back up. The rabbit is used in a lot of mythology. because it makes a lot of sense as a metaphor for what happened to different groups. The Easter bunny was then the one who was hiding Easter eggs for the kids, but the Easter bunny was still the parents who had to survive by living underground. And so all of the Easter lore, all of the Ishtar bunny lore is true. And all of these individuals that you see who have put out these hundreds of videos, if not thousands of videos, trying to tell you that Ishtar is Ishtar, Ishtar is Easter, there it is, trying to tell you that Easter and Ishtar are the same, are absolutely right. But what is Ishtar? Ishtar is the planet Venus, and the Ishtar bunny is the moon. And we get eggs because of its actions. Don't forget to leave me your thoughts in the comments down below. Click that like, share, and subscribe button. And peace out, everybody. I'll see you again soon.
Dude, the songs at Easter are epic.
Yeah, no, I really do. I want to go back and sing some of the songs. They are.